In my videos, what I present is neither a direct translation of the Quran nor a detailed exegesis. My aim is to convey, as faithfully as possible, what the Quran articulates in Arabic, but in English. Before finalizing any English interpretation of a verse, I meticulously ensure two things. First, that nothing essential to the verse's context, found elsewhere in the Quran, is omitted, especially if it's crucial for understanding the verse fully. Second, that no unnecessary words, including my personal opinions, are added to the interpretation. Thus, I request that if you notice anything in my English text that appears to reflect my own views and not the Quran, please bring it to my attention. This will help me improve. Alternatively, I will share the Quranic verses that clarify the meaning so you can see how they are essential to the interpretation and not merely personal commentary. Let us now turn to the verse Alif Lam Mim. This announcement comes from Allah, the All-Knowing, the Wise. In classical Arabic literature, it was a common technique to use abbreviated letters, or muqatta'at, at the beginning of a composition or a book. These abbreviations served two purposes. One, to encapsulate the essence of the content in a few letters. Two, to introduce the author or creator through a concise literary signature. This tradition was well understood by those familiar with classical Arabic literary conventions. Similarly, the Quran employs these abbreviated letters at the beginning of some chapters to either highlight Allah's attributes or summarize the chapter's overarching theme. For example, at the beginning of Surah Al-Baqrah, the letters Alif Lam Mim refer to the attributes Allah, Alif, all-knowing for Alim, and all-wise, Mim for Hakim. This is affirmed in verse 32 of the same chapter, where the angels declare, "Indeed, you are the all-knowing, the all-wise." Thus, these letters not only connect with the chapter's broader theme, but also align with classical coding techniques used in early Arabic literature. Even today, by reflecting deeply on these chapters, one can understand the significance of these letters as a profound introduction to their content. Moving forward to the verse. This is the book about which there is no doubt. The term doubt in Arabic, raib, encompasses a range of meanings. This verse proclaims the Quran as a definitive book of law, free from ambiguity or contradiction. 1. No doubt. Its laws are so unequivocal that creating doubt or confusion about them is simply impossible. 2. No complexity. Its verses are straightforward and easy to comprehend, ensuring that anyone with a reasonable mind can grasp its principles and find satisfaction in their truth. 3. No contradiction. Throughout the Quran, no two verses contradict each other, nor do its laws conflict with reality. 4. No falsehood. Nothing in this book, its commands, its guidance, or its promises, can ever be proven false. A guidance for the God-conscious. The Quran serves as a radiant and unmistakable path, with the destination clearly visible. It ensures that those who walk this path will neither lose their way nor be misled. However, this guidance is only beneficial for those who are God-conscious, those who seek the best way of life and are prepared to embrace the truth as soon as they recognize it. This is not a book for those who are already perfect in their understanding, but for those who yearn for the best guidance and are willing to shape their lives around it once they find it. Through these verses, the Quran establishes itself as a divine manual of life, unchallenged, unaltered, and unparalleled. Its clarity, precision, and wisdom continue to guide humanity, offering a path of righteousness for those who seek it.